taking over.
Hey loves! Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, I'm gonna be doing this makeup look. You can also wear this if you have events. Sino mo event ngayong quarantine? Parang wala naman. Anyways, love, if you wanna know kung paano ko ginawa yung makeup look na to, please keep on watching. And also, ang inaantay ng lahat, ipapakita ko na sa inyong wig para may idea kayo. Anyways, this is from Iconic Star Hair Extension, and this is the wig. This one is a brand new wig. Hindi ko pa ito nagamit or what. Naisip ko na i-giveaway na lang to dahil you guys are requesting for a wig giveaway. Super excited sa mananalo. If ever na hindi ka manalo for this wig giveaway, don't worry dahil next na makeup look, meron naman akong wig giveaway. For this video, ito yung mapapanalunan. So mamaya sasabihin ko sa inyo kung ano yung mechanics or anong gagawin nyo para manalo ng wig. So if you wanna know kung paano ko ginawa yung makeup look na to, please keep on watching. So we will start with a clean, bare face. I'm using my favorite as of the moment. This is TyRo White Facial Toner. After that, I'm gonna use my favorite eye massager. This is from Glampop Queens. I love this eye massager kasi it helps to minimize your eye bags and to prep your eyes for your makeup look. So, kamot ulo muna bago mag-lip balm. Pero I love the Laneige Lip Glow. It's my favorite lip balm ever. It's gonna moisturize your lips for your heavy makeup. And now, I'm using my contact lens. This is from Gwyshop in the style Unicorn Blue. To moisturize my face, I really love this Haxley Secret of Sahara to prep my skin for my foundation. I'm not using any primer kasi my skin don't likes it. I really don't know. But now I'm concealing my under eye area with the concealer. And I'm just gonna blend that with this flat brush. I really love the magic of concealer kasi instantly super fresh mo agad. And I'm dabbing it with my beauty blender, and now let's go for the foundation. I'm using my favorite Dior Backstage liquid foundation. Sobrang gusto ko yung coverage ng foundation na to kasi sobrang lightweight niya. But the coverage is super perfect, buildable, medium to full. And I'm just using my flat brush to blend it out. And as you can see, super bilis niyang i-blend sa skin ko. Gagamitin ko tong pinaka-dark na foundation na meron ako. And this is from LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation. And I will just blend it with my beauty blender. After that, gagamit ako ng concealer. Pero this concealer, wala talaga siyang masyadong coverage. The reason kung ba't ako gamit is just to brighten up my under eye. As you can see, hindi pa siya ganun ka-bright. So, ang goal dito is ma-highlight yung under eye area natin. And now, I'm using a lightest cream concealer na meron ako. I believe this one is from Cover FX. Blend lang ng blend before you set it with powder. Make sure na walang lines before you set it with any powder na meron ka para lang mas flawless yung foundation mo. After baking, you can use any pressed powder na meron ka just to remove all the excess loose powder na ginamit mo for baking and also for extra coverage na din. For my brows, I'm using my favorite eyebrow product. This is from Anastasia in the shade Chocolate and sobrang favorite ko to kasi ang daling gamitin. And by the way, this one is a powder. And you can use any concealer or foundation na meron ka just to clean the edges of your brows. And as you can see, I'm blending it with my fingertip. And yan, may commercial po tayo, Zane. And I'm just blending it with my fingertip para lang ma-blend yung product. And now, I'm using a warm orangey eyeshadow for my base. I will add some gold pressed eyeshadow here sa center ng eyeshadow ko. I mean, ng eyes ko, just to make that halo effect. Gonna curl my gonna curl my lashes and put my favorite mascara on. Bakit parang baliktad? And yan, I'm using my favorite Total Temptation from Maybelline. And you can use any lashes na you have, pero I like using something na medyo dramatic for this look. I'm using my black matte eyeshadow and ilalagay ko siya sa end ng lower lash ko just to make my eyes pop. And now, I'm using my favorite mascara sa lower lash. This is from Maybelline. And for extra effect, I'm using my favorite glitter product. This is from Stila. For the blush, I will mix this pink and medyo mauve na pink na blush and I will just put that on my cheeks. As you can see, nilalagay ko rin siya sa my temples. I super love this highlighter. This is from Ofra and it really gives that glowing look pag nag-i-smile ka or natatamaan siya ng light or any light na meron ka. And for the lips, I'm just using my Lipliner in mauve and my lip gloss. This one is from Colourpop. It really makes your lips pop. As you can see, sobrang kumikintab talaga siya like girl. This is my all-time favorite lip gloss and I'm just gonna set my face using my Unclutz Beauty Mist by Luxe Organic and you're done! So ngayon love, sasabihin ko na sa inyo yung mechanics how to win this beautiful high quality wig. Number 1 is dapat nakasubscribe ka sa channel ko. Number 2, follow me on my Instagram account. It's at onlypaulonating. Follow Iconic Style Hair Extension on Instagram. Nilalagay ko rin yung information nila para makita nyo. And lastly, number 4, like this video and comment down below bakit mo gusto magkaroon ng wig. So, bandali lang guys. And I hope hindi kayo magtampo if hindi kayo nanalo or napili sa giveaway na to. Don't worry, magkakaroon pa ako ng ibang giveaway. Thank you so much loves for watching. If you like this video, please click the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And see you on my next video. Bye!